Credit is like your financial reputation. It shows how good you are at borrowing money and paying it back on time. When you use a credit card or take a loan, that's using credit. If you pay back on time, your credit score goes up. If you delay payments, it goes down. This score helps banks and companies decide if they should give you a loan, a house on rent, or even a job. Good credit makes life easier. It's like a report card for your money habits. Many people don't understand credit fully, but it's used in more ways than you think. Want to buy a car or a house? You'll need credit. Want a mobile phone plan? They check your credit. It's not just about borrowing money. It's about trust. Credit tells others if you're responsible with money. So, understanding how credit works is the first step in building a secure financial future. Start small, pay on time, and your credit will grow strong. This is the foundation of financial success. Trust factor. Credit is all about trust. When you have a good credit score, it means banks, landlords, and even employers see you as trustworthy. They believe you'll pay your bills, loans, or rent on time. That trust opens doors for you. You can get loans easily, rent a house without much trouble, and sometimes even get better job offers. In today's world, trust isn't just about words. It's about your credit history. If you don't have good credit, people may think twice before lending you money or giving you something on credit. Even if you have enough cash, bad credit can hold you back. That's why building credit is not just about money. It's about your reputation. It shows how responsible you are. When people trust you financially, you get more freedom and more opportunities. So always protect your credit. It builds long-term trust in every part of life. Loan access. Having good credit makes it easier to get loans. Whether you need money for a car, a house, a business, or even for education, your credit score decides if a bank will trust you with that loan. Lenders check your credit report to see how well you've handled money in the past. If your credit is good, they say yes quickly. If it's bad, they may say no or charge you high interest. Imagine needing urgent money for something important, but your loan gets rejected. That's the power of credit. Even if you have a stable job or some savings, banks mostly trust your credit history. A good score says, "This person pays on time." It increases your loan approval chances and gives you better loan amounts. So if you plan to borrow money in life, build your credit first. It opens financial doors when you need them the most. Better rates. Good credit doesn't just help you get a loan, it helps you get that loan at a lower interest rate. That means you pay less money over time. Let's say two people apply for the same loan. One has a good credit score, the other has a bad one. The person with good credit will get a better deal, lower monthly payments and fewer extra charges. That's because lenders trust them more and see them as low risk. Credit impacts everything from car loans to credit cards to home mortgages. Even insurance companies check your credit before deciding your premium rates. If your score is high, you could save thousands of rupees in interest. It's like getting a reward for being financially responsible. On the other hand, poor credit can cost you a lot more. So, if you want to save money in the long run, work on improving your credit. Better credit equals better deals. Simple as that. Emergency help. Life is full of surprises, some good, some not. When emergencies hit, like a medical issue, a car breakdown, or sudden job loss, having good credit can be a real lifesaver. Why? Because it gives you access to fast financial support. If you need a personal loan or want to use a credit card during tough times, a strong credit score means quick approval and better terms. Without good credit, getting help becomes harder. You may face loan rejections or high interest rates that only make the situation worse. Emergencies don't wait, and neither should your finances. That's why building credit before you actually need it is so important. It's like keeping an umbrella ready before the rain starts. With strong credit, you're not stuck asking others for help. You have your own safety net ready. Be prepared, not panicked. Build your credit before the storm. Business growth credit plays a big role in helping businesses grow. When someone wants to start or expand a business, they usually need a lot of money. But not everyone has that kind of cash ready. That's where credit comes in. Business owners can take loans or use credit cards to buy equipment, rent office space, or hire workers. This allows them to grow faster than waiting to save money. For example, imagine a small bakery that's doing well and wants to open another branch. If the owner has good credit, they can apply for a business loan and get the funds quickly. This way, they don't miss out on the opportunity to grow while people are already loving their products. Good credit also helps businesses get better deals. Banks and suppliers trust them more and may offer lower interest rates or flexible payment terms. That means the business spends less money on fees and has more cash to invest in other areas like marketing or product development. Even big companies use credit to manage their cash flow. They buy products in bulk on credit, sell them, and pay back later. This system helps them stay ahead in the market and handle large operations smoothly. Without access to credit, many good business ideas would never happen. Credit allows people to take smart risks and build something bigger than what they could with just their savings. That's why having good credit is not just helpful, it's often necessary for turning business dreams into reality. In simple words, credit is like a ladder. It helps small ideas climb up to big success. And for businesses, that can mean the difference between staying small or becoming the next big thing. Future planning credit isn't just about spending, it's also about planning for a better future. Whether it's buying a house, starting a business, or preparing for unexpected expenses, having good credit can make things a lot easier. It gives you options and flexibility when life changes or opportunities come your way. Let's say you want to buy your dream home one day. If you've built a strong credit history, banks will trust you and offer you a home loan at a lower interest rate. That means you pay less money over time. But if your credit is bad, you might not get a loan at all, or you'll pay way more. So, planning for your future really starts with building good credit today. Credit also helps during major life moments. Want to study abroad? Many students use credit or take student loans to pay for college. Planning a wedding? A good credit score can help you get better deals on personal loans. Even if you're not borrowing money now, maintaining good credit means you'll be ready when you need it. It's also about emergencies. Life is full of surprises. Medical bills, car repairs, job loss. Having a credit card or line of credit gives you a backup plan, so you're not stuck when something goes wrong. And paying your credit bills on time helps build trust with lenders, which comes in handy for anything big in the future. In short, good credit opens doors. It gives you control over your life instead of letting financial problems control you. If you manage your credit wisely today, your future self will thank you tomorrow. So, credit isn't just important, it's powerful. It helps turn dreams into goals and goals into reality. Credit isn't just a number. It's the key that unlocks financial freedom, security, and opportunity. From building trust and getting easy loan approvals, to handling emergencies, growing a business, or simply enjoying better deals in everyday life, credit plays a silent but powerful role. Without it, you're often left behind, paying more or getting denied. But with it, you move forward faster, smoother, and smarter. Every choice you make today shapes your credit story for tomorrow. So whether you're dreaming of a new home, starting a business, or just want the peace of mind that comes with financial stability, strong credit is your best ally. Don't wait for a crisis to start caring. Build your credit now and give your future the strength it deserves. And if you're wondering how to actually use credit wisely without falling into debt traps, we've got you covered. Watch our next video, how to use and not abuse credit, to learn powerful, practical strategies for staying in control and getting the most out of your credit journey. Don't miss it. Your financial health depends on it.